Dekot ke Kinhon Menteri buat undang Ialap ke UDP nak Kliariat Constituency ubah Kyrmen Shell Haulong. Ba kalong ke berjenjar ban batai lupa manu Jingjop ke Ilekshon Lok Sabha Nasional seat. Ke Jingbun ke Briew ke Jingelang pat ba kamla ban raya ke Jingjop Jingrem. Hak be day bat ke Jingrayo kertong bajop ni barem Nasional seat undang Ialap ke UDP Loong. Bakat kum ke Jinglum Jingken kalong ke bajuat ban batai. Lepas nrei kal syongpat yanu labo ke jengkeli haba kiseng san pertai baper kin kam bakin job maki wat ki kertong shimetro.
It's very hard to say and to predict exactly what it is, what will it be. But it depends whom you ask the question. If it happen, you ask with the different political party. If you ask the UDP, especially for me, myself, I can say that being from the UDP, I will say that UDP will be the winner. If it happens, you meet a person from Congress, he will claim. And if it happens to be the BPP or the NPP, or even the independent also, they will claim themselves that they will be the winner. But in the end, as of now, since the counting will take time, so it's really very difficult to predict.